What's up, Cosmonauts? It's your boy Cosmo, and today we are here to react to more of the Annoying Orange. Annoying Orange is one of my favorite series to watch on YouTube when I was a kid, but today we're going to be reacting to Annoying Orange Saw. Now, this was the very first video of that I watched of the Annoying Orange. And how I encountered Annoying Orange on YouTube is one of my classmates, I was in the 7th grade, one of my classmates showed me this video, and I was a little, um, yeah, I was a little kind of freaked out about how they add the faces to all these fruits and vegetables and all the characters in Annoying Orange. I thought, why not watch more of it? And yes, I did enjoy it. I did enjoy Annoying Orange as a kid, and I still do. I still do. But without further ado, let's do this. Annoying Saw. Wow, it's very dramatic. Oh, there's Orange. He's all tied up.
Whoa, where am I? What is this thing I'm hooked up to?
Man, Annoying Orange brings so
Ew,
much
who's
childhood
that?
memories.
Hello, Orange.
I used to always watch Annoying Orange.
Play a game.
I know I sound like a broken record,
Game?
but
Okay, let's play Go Fish.
I would always watch
What?
Annoying Orange
No.
after I would
How
come
about
home
Shoots
from
and
school.
Ladders?
No, you don't get to pick the game.
Go Fish, Shoots and
Why not?
Ladders.
That's not how this works.
Why?
Because, now just listen.
Why?
Because I said so.
Hey, geez.
Ooh,
who
he's
cracked
sounding
your
like a
cornflakes?
helicopter parent.
All
Because I
right.
said so.
Now, Orange. So
Orange is
far,
the
you've
kid
been
and
living
Saw is the
annoying
parent,
people.
apparently.
Society would call you a nuisance. I would call you an abomination.
Yeah, and I'd call you Clown Face.
Clown face.
You look like somebody smeared mashed potatoes on a mime.
Oh,
That's
he
enough.
really
You're kinda
does.
emo, aren't
That's
you?
the sad thing.
No, I'm not emo.
You're an emo clown.
I've never heard.
Listen.
I've heard a lot of things, but I've never heard of no emo clown.
It's a death trap. It's
I would have
hooked
thought
up to a
clowns were
timer.
meant to be happy.
If you do not locate
Not
the
depressed
key
as
in
shit.
time, you will
You mean this
laugh.
key right here?
What the?
He doesn't even
Where
have
did you
arms.
get
Where did he?
that?
I don't
How
know.
the fuck did he
That's
get that shit?
Totally ruining the game.
Your game sucks. Let's play Yahtzee.
I hate Yahtzee.
Jenga?
No.
Jenga's
Like
fun.
backgammon?
Oh my god, you're annoying.
Why did-
I can't
Aw.
take it. That's it. I'm
He
moving
didn't
on
even.
to
He didn't even
plan.
ask if he wanted to play
Whoa, it's
Scrabble.
Barney.
Scrabble is my
Yeah,
shit.
dude, I'm not Barney.
Hello.
Well, you are big and purple.
Hey, Barney.
that does
Can I
make
teach
you
you a
Barney.
song?
No.
Hey, I'm not Barney.
I love you.
Is this
You
part of
love
the torture or
me.
what?
Look,
And
this is
I
not
don't
how
remember
it's
how the
usually
song
I'm an orange, that's a key. There's an emo clown on TV.
Do I look like a giant purple dinosaur? I'm an eggplant.
You look like a potato with bad circulation.
That's swear to God.
Damn,
I'm so
Orange
done
is
with
so
this crap.
clever.
Why did I think?
Where
it
does
was
he
a
come
good
up with
idea?
these jokes?
Hey, I'm an orange,
You're not me.
Jigsaw has to take a pee.
Nah, Jigsaw
Hey,
committed
potato,
suicide.
Death trap.
Huh?
Aw, poor potato. He never saw that one coming.
Saw. Oh gosh.
How do I get out of here?
I don't know, you tell me. How the fuck did you get that key in the first place? If you got that key without no arms, you should be able to escape that trap. Well, hopefully that was my reaction to the Annoying Orange. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Again, let me know if you guys want me to react to more of the Annoying Orange, and I will happily do so. But anyway, please like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel, have my post notifications on. Until next time, Cosmonauts, and peace out.